Okay, sagutin natin to. The area bounded by the curve y squared is equal to 12x and the line x is equal to 3 is revolved around about the line x is equal to 3. What is the volume generated? Okay, graph muna natin. Ang y squared is equal to 12x, 0, 0 ang vertex niya, pa right. Tapos ito pa vertical lang. 1, 2, 3. Tapos pa ganyan. At the same time, dito rin nag-revolve. Makukuha natin yung volume, gagamitin natin yung this method. Kasi dumidikit naman siya sa axis of revolution, yung ating straight dy. Ang volume ng this method is from A to B. Pi xr minus xl squared dy. Okay, alamin muna natin ano yung A at saka B. I-substitute natin from y squared is equal to 12, tapos yung x is equal to 3. So y squared is equal to 36 square root y is equal to positive negative 6. Okay, so ang plot nito is 3 negative 6, tapos ito is 3 6. Yeah. Therefore magiging integral natin is from negative 6 to 6 pi. Yung x to the right natin, rightmost x natin is ito, yung 3. Tapos yung leftmost natin is yung parabola, which is gawin muna natin siyang in terms of y. So y squared is equal to 12x divide both sides by 12. X is equal to y squared over 12. And yung leftmost natin, squared dy. So integral ng pi times 3 minus y squared, which is x squared over 12 into t squared from negative 6 to 6. 180.955 yung ating volume, cubic units yan.